Understanding the word catch, meanings, uses, and common mistakes. Imagine you're at a park tossing a ball with a friend. As the ball flies towards you, you reach out your hands and grab it from the air. That's what we call catch. Today, we're going to learn all about this common and versatile word. Word type. Catch can be both a verb and a noun. As a verb, it means to grab or seize something. As a noun, it refers to the act of catching or something that is caught. Meaning, the primary meaning of catch is to capture or seize something, usually with your hands. It can also mean to become aware of or to understand something. For example, you might catch a joke or catch someone's meaning. Word history. The word catch comes from an old French word, catcher, which meant to chase. Over time, its meaning shifted from chasing to capturing. Antonyms. Some opposites of catch include release, free, and let go. Synonyms. Words with similar meanings to catch include grab, seize, capture, and snatch. Examples used in sentences. Let's look at how we can use catch in different contexts. Can you catch the ball? I didn't catch what you said. Could you repeat it? We need to catch the bus or we'll be late. The police caught the thief after a long chase. That singer's latest song is quite a catch. Everyone loves it. Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing catch with cache. Cache means a hidden store of things, while catch is about grabbing or understanding. Another error is using catch when chase is more appropriate. Remember, you catch a ball, but you chase a dog that runs away? To wrap up, catch is a word with many uses in English. It can mean to grab something, to understand, or even to get on a form of transport. Practice using catch in your conversations and writing to become more comfortable with its various meanings. The more you use it, the more natural it will feel. Keep practicing, and soon you'll catch on to using this word like a pro.